How to log in to Ultimate Golf. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily sign in to Ultimate Golf in just a few simple steps. First of all, launch open the Ultimate Golf application on your Android or iOS device. Once you're inside the main homepage of Ultimate Golf, go ahead and click on the menu icon at the top right corner. From the Options tab, select Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Manage right next to Profile Management. Select Secure this profile. On the next page, select a provider to secure the profile and protect your game progress. Choose your preferred method from Google, Recovery Code, or Secure with Phone Number option. I'm just gonna click on Secure with Google. Follow through the on-screen instruction after the choice you make and enter the required credentials. I'm just gonna select one of my Google accounts here, and if prompted, you need to enter your Google account's email and password. After you do that, you'll receive some rewards and you have successfully signed in or logged into Ultimate Golf. So there you have it. That is how you easily log in and save your progress as well in Ultimate Golf. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.